How to recover permanently deleted photos and videos on Android phone. So if you accidentally deleted something in your gallery and now you cannot restore this photo or video, I'm going to show you 3 ways how you can restore your files. Let's get started. First way is to use Files app by Google, or you can use My Files app. I'm going to just use Files by Google, this one on the top. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna tap the 3 lines in the top left corner to access the menu, and from here choose Section Trash. Just tap on that and you will see all your deleted items. So you have 30 days to restore them from here. Just tap on the item and tap button Restore in the bottom left corner. Now the second app we can use for that is of course Google Photos. So go ahead and find your Google Photos. Usually it is in the Google folder on your device. Then from the Photos tab, switch to Collections in the middle on the bottom of the screen. And on the top you should see Section Trash. Tap on that. And also to recover this item you can either press and hold it, or you can tap the button Select in the top right corner, then choose your items. If you have multiple photos or videos, just tap on them one by one to select and click button Restore in the bottom right corner. And the last app I want to show you is OneDrive. So go ahead and open your Microsoft folder and here find OneDrive app. Tap on that. And to access Recycle Bin here, we need to tap Profile icon in the top left corner and choose Recycle Bin. Now you can tap 3 dots next to it and choose option Restore. After that, your file will be successfully restored. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.